Are you dreaming of a life abroad, but the idea of soul-crushing red tape and expensive applications is holding you back? What if I told you there are 7 incredible destinations where your US passport is the only key you need to unlock a long-term adventure or even a new life? Forget what you think you know about moving abroad. We're about to reveal the havens where you can land tomorrow and stay for months or even a full year. No traditional visa required. For years, many of us were told that a second life overseas was reserved for the wealthy or those with a job offer in hand. That's just not the whole story anymore. The world has changed, and a handful of countries have thrown their doors wide open, recognizing that freedom and flexibility are the new currency. Whether you're a remote worker tired of your home office, a retiree looking for a better quality of life, or just someone feeling politically exhausted and priced out of the American dream, this list is your escape plan. We're going to break down exactly how long you can stay, the real rules around remote work, and what makes each of these places a potential new home. Let's get into the places where your US passport is a golden ticket. Number 7, the United Kingdom. Kicking off our list is a country that feels both familiar and surprisingly accessible, the United Kingdom. We all know the UK for its history, culture, and the obvious lack of a language barrier, but many Americans don't realize you can stay for a pretty significant amount of time without needing a formal visa. As a US citizen, you can enter the UK for up to 6 months as a tourist. This gives you a generous window to explore everything from the Scottish Highlands to the coast of Cornwall. Now, there is a small but important change. As of early 2025, you'll need to get an electronic travel authorization, or ETA, before you fly. It's a simple online form, costs about £16, and is valid for 2 years, covering multiple entries of up to 6 months each. So it's just a tiny bit of pre-planning for a whole lot of freedom. But can you work? Officially, you're a tourist and can't take a job with a UK company. However, the rules are generally understood to tolerate remote work for a non-UK employer, especially since your main purpose for being there is tourism. This makes it a great option for digital nomads who want to base themselves in an English-speaking country with fantastic travel connections to the rest of Europe. In terms of cost, while London is famously expensive, the rest of the UK can be quite affordable. Cities like Manchester, Glasgow, or Bristol offer a vibrant lifestyle for a fraction of the price. You could live comfortably in many parts of the UK for around $1,500 to $2,000 a month, especially if you avoid the capital. Number 6, Canada. If you're looking for an escape that's not a world away, this is your answer. For Americans, Canada offers a seamless transition with its cultural similarities and, of course, its proximity. As a US citizen, you can typically stay in Canada for up to 6 months visa-free. No applications, no fees. You just show your passport at the border. It's the ultimate easy button for a long-term change of scenery, perfect for a snowbird escape in reverse to enjoy the beautiful Canadian summer. The big question for many is remote work, and Canada has recently offered some welcome clarity. While there isn't an official digital nomad visa, their policy allows visitors to work remotely for a foreign employer for their entire 6-month stay, as long as they don't enter the Canadian job market. This is a huge step forward that provides legal peace of mind, setting Canada apart from countries where remote work falls into a legal gray area. While not the cheapest option on our list, the cost of living in Canada can be lower than in comparable major US cities. Your expenses will vary wildly depending on whether you choose a bustling hub like Vancouver or Toronto versus a more laid-back city in the Maritimes. But with a monthly budget around $2,000, you can live a very comfortable life in many beautiful parts of the country. Number 5, the Dominican Republic. Coming in at number 5, we're heading to the Caribbean for some island living. The Dominican Republic is a classic vacation spot, but it's also a place where you can extend a trip into a months-long stay with relative ease. Officially, as a U.S. citizen, your initial entry grants you a 30-day stay. If you want to stay longer, the by-the-book method is to apply for extensions at the immigration office, which can be granted for up to 120 days total. However, the Dominican Republic is also known for its more practical approach. It is a very common practice for tourists to simply stay past their initial 30 days and pay a tiered overstay fee at the airport when they depart. The fees are posted and scale up the longer you stay. While this is a widely used method, it's crucial to understand it isn't an official long-term path and is not without risk. Rules can change, and repeated long overstays could cause issues in the future. This flexibility makes it an incredible haven for those wanting to escape the American winter. With a monthly budget of $1,200 to $1,800, you can enjoy a life filled with stunning beaches, vibrant culture, and warm weather. For remote workers, you're on a tourist status, so as long as your income is from abroad, you generally fly under the radar. Before we get to our top 4, including 2 countries where you can live for a full year without any visa paperwork, take a second to hit that subscribe button. If you're dreaming of a life abroad, this channel is your guide to making it happen. We post new videos every week on the best destinations, residency pathways, and tips for expats. Don't miss out. Number 4, Mexico. Our 4th pick is a perennial favorite for American expats. Mexico is legendary for its vibrant culture, amazing food, and affordable cost of living. It's no shock that so many Americans already call it home. For U.S. citizens, getting into Mexico is incredibly simple. Upon arrival, you'll be issued a visitor's permit, known as an FMM. This permit allows you to stay in the country for up to 180 days. That's 6 full months. However, here's a critical update. Getting the full 180 days is no longer automatic. The length of your stay is now at the discretion of the immigration officer. While many people flying in still report getting 180 days, those crossing by land might be given a shorter period. The key is to be prepared to politely explain your travel plans and show proof of accommodation or a return flight if they ask. Mexico is a digital nomad hotspot. While you're technically a tourist, working remotely for a company outside of Mexico is a widely accepted and common practice. The cost of living is a major draw, with many expats living well on $1,000 to $1,500 a month. With established expat communities in places like San Miguel Allende, Lake Chapala, and Playa del Carmen, it's one of the easiest places to build a new social life abroad. Number 3. At number 3 is a country that's a haven for both nature lovers and the financially savvy, Panama. This Central American gem offers a bustling, modern capital city alongside incredible biodiversity, with coastlines on both the Pacific and the Caribbean. For U.S. citizens, Panama's tourist stay is typically for 30 to 90 days. However, it is possible to get a stay of up to 180 days, but it's not guaranteed. Immigration officials may ask for proof of onward travel and, importantly, proof of economic solvency, usually around $500 in your bank account or on a credit card. What really makes Panama stand out is its financial appeal. It operates on a territorial tax system, meaning you are generally not taxed on income earned from outside the country. This is a massive advantage for remote workers and online business owners, making it one of the best places to legally optimize your tax situation. The cost of living is a bit higher than in other parts of Central America, but still very reasonable compared to the U.S. A budget of $1,500 to $2,200 allows for a high quality of life in Panama. Panama also offers the Friendly Nations visa, a relatively straightforward path to long-term residency for Americans, making it a place you can not only visit for months, but realistically plan a future in. Number 2. Albania. Making a strong showing at number 2 is one of Europe's best-kept secrets. Albania is where it gets truly incredible for U.S. passport holders. Albania allows American citizens to enter and stay for 1 full year completely visa-free. You can land in the capital, Tirana, and not worry about visa runs or residency permits for 365 days. This makes it one of the easiest countries in the world for Americans to move to overnight. And it gets even better. Albania is actively courting digital nomads and has a clear legal framework for it. Remote work for a foreign company is welcome, which is a huge relief for anyone looking to work online without operating in a legal gray area. The cost of living? It's shockingly low. You can live a fantastic life here, enjoying beautiful beaches, rugged mountains, and rich history for as little as $800 to $1,200 a month. It sits just across the water from Italy, offering a similar climate and delicious food at a fraction of the cost. Number 1, the Republic of Georgia. And now for the number 1 visa-free haven where Americans can call home overnight. This country offers one of the most generous and straightforward long-stay policies on the planet for U.S. citizens, the Republic of Georgia. Georgia offers a 1-year visa-free stay to Americans upon arrival. No questions, no special permits, just a stamp in your passport that welcomes you for 365 days. This makes it a global hub for digital nomads and entrepreneurs, and for good reason. Now, it's crucial to understand what this stay allows. You are there on a visa-free tourist status. While this is perfect for remote workers earning income from outside of Georgia, it does not automatically grant you the right to take a job with a local Georgian company. For that, or to formally start a business, you would need to apply for a proper residence or work permit. However, Georgia's tax system is incredibly favorable for those who do register as an entrepreneur, with a flat 1% tax on business turnover for many small businesses. The cost of living is astonishingly low. You can live a rich and full life on a budget of $800 to $1,500 a month. The country itself is a stunning mix of ancient history and dramatic landscapes. The food and wine are legendary, and the hospitality is world-class. For any American looking for a life reset with maximum freedom and minimal bureaucracy, Georgia is an unbeatable choice. So there you have it, 7 countries where your U.S. passport is the key that unlocks the door to a new life abroad. From 6-month stays right next door to year-long freedom in the hidden corners of Europe. Moving abroad is more accessible than you ever imagined. The dream of a cheaper, more adventurous, or simply different life doesn't have to be buried under a mountain of paperwork. It's real and it's available right now. As always, rules can and do change, so be sure to double-check official government websites before you book a flight. If this video sparked your imagination, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which of these countries you'd pack your bags for. And don't forget to subscribe for more guides to living your life without borders. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.